Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Parametrics. This is Mohammed Shahrukh, and in today's video I'm not going to give you any tutorial about Revit, but instead I would like to show you one of my project which I have created. So this model or this rendering which you see obviously right now in front of you is of showroom for Ferrari. So the entire creation of this model except the cars is being done in Revit. So let's take the lights, let's take the glasses and the materials and so on. Everything have been modeled in Revit only except the cars. So to create the cars we use some different softwares like 3ds Max and all, and we use some different techniques. So this is what about my project here. Now unfortunately my Revit license is not working, so there is some issue, so I cannot show you the model in the Revit itself. So instead what I have done, I uploaded my model in the Autodesk viewer. So this is how this model looks like, and if you see still the model is not, this is not a full model because there are many things are missing. For example, the decal images and even the cars, they are missing right now. But fortunately what I have planned is I'm going to show you everything in the Revit software itself, in which you can see it in more detail. So for a while, for this video, I guess this will give you an idea. So what I will do is I will take you to the inside of this showroom, and just you can forgive me for not putting the cars, and I hope we can actually see it in the next video. So let's go inside. So this is a very good walkthrough. We can do it in Autodesk viewer. So it's like just like a gaming, you can use the arrows, and here you can see all the places like where you can see the green boundaries. All the images for the frames should come, which is still missing because I haven't uploaded everything in the viewer itself. So this is how this showroom looks like, and for sure again I'm repeating, like it's still not the entire thing because most of the things are missing, like the materials, the cars and so on. In this first video I just want to give you a little bit of idea what I have done, and you see we can just climb the doors, the stairs, and let's go up. So okay, now you can see here. So now what I'm going to show you, like I will show you some of the renderings which I have created for this project. So let's take an example. For example, if you would like to see the rendering for this specific area, you see I am standing on a platform right now which is at a height of around 4-5 meters. So let me go to the rendering and show you the rendering for each specific area. So for example, let me go back to, so yeah, this is the area which you can see. This is where we are standing right now. Okay, and you can see all of these images and the cars are missing. So now you can see this is the rendering which we have created, and the rendering is 360 degree. So and it has been rendered in Autodesk Cloud. So you can see very clearly, you can see the stairs and so on, the inside rooms, and you can see the finest quality. And I have done the rendering in both in the night mode as well as in the day mode. So this is the obviously the night mode. Let's go to the day mode. So this is how it looks like in day. So you can see there is a clear truss structure through which we can get some sunlight. Okay, let's suppose you would like to go to this specific region, so and see what is the rendering look like. So for example, let's go here. So let me go down, and instead I can just jump, and then let's go here. So let me go a little bit faster. And so for example, let's suppose you would like to see how the rendering will look like when you're standing at this specific location. So I will go to my render mode again, and here you see this is how it looks like. So you can see this is the specific region. So you can see in the rendering right now I have created everything, these lights and these frames, these images I have cropped in a separate software, and I added it here. And you can see the cars, these cars I actually, some of them we modeled it in 3ds Max and in separate softwares, and then we loaded it in Revit as a Revit family. And you can see here, you can see the renderings. So let's see a few more places. For example, let's go to some other place. So let me go back here. So let's suppose how it looks like when you're standing at this particular location. So let's see how the rendering will look like at this particular location. So let's go back. So I guess, yeah, so this is how it looks like in the daytime. During the day, this is how it looks like. You can see the finest quality we receive from the rendering thanks to Autodesk cloud rendering, and you can see it here. Yeah. So okay, let's see one more. So let's go to this specific location. So let me go back here. Let's just move it. Okay, so at this particular location, let's see how the rendering will look like. So let's go here. Okay, so this is how it looks in the daytime. You can see this is the plantation. This is the actual plantation which is there in the actual site. I cannot share you the more details right now, and you can see here this is how it looks like in the during the night time. So this is one of our work. So let me go and show you the front view. So this is how it looks from the front. So let's go and show you the front area in the 3D model itself. So let's go again, and yeah, so this is from where you are seeing the current rendering right now. So this is how it looks in the daytime. You can see the outside area. These are the plantations, and this is how it looks like during the night time. So I hope you like my work, and what I'm planning is I'm trying to create a full playlist of the tutorial in which I can teach you how to do this kind of modeling in Revit and do this kind of 360 rendering with this good quality. Even if it's not the finest quality, I should admit, we can improve it more. So please let me know in the comments if you like this work, and if you would like to see a tutorial based on like how we can create this particular Ferrari model and Ferrari showroom. And let me know. Please subscribe BIM Parametrics, and let me know in the comments if you would like to get this tutorial. Thank you very much.